In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DGET formula in Excel. DGET is a powerful database function that returns a single value from a table based on criteria you specify. It's great when your data is structured with headers, like a proper table, and you want an exact match result without building a full lookup formula. To begin, click the cell where you want the result to appear. This is your output cell, and it will display the value that DGET pulls from your table. Type the formula by starting with an equals sign, then DGET, and open the parenthesis. You'll see three parts are required: the database, the field, and the criteria. For the database, drag to select the entire table, including the header row. Right after selecting it, press F4 to lock that reference, so it doesn't shift when you copy the formula to other cells. This absolute reference keeps the formula stable. Next comes the field. Click the header cell of the column you want returned, such as the item name or the amount. Selecting the header cell lets Excel use that label as the field argument, which is clearer than typing a column number and helps avoid mistakes if your table changes. Finally, add the criteria. Use the small criteria range on your sheet that contains the bill number header and the specific bill number you want to look up. Click and drag across both the header cell and the cell with the actual number, so DGET knows which record to match. Close the parenthesis to finish the formula. Press Enter to calculate. If everything is set correctly, you'll see the value from the chosen column for the record that matches your bill number. Now copy the formula to other cells as needed. You can drag the fill handle or copy and paste. Because the database reference is locked, the formula remains reliable. From here, try changing the bill number in your criteria cell. As soon as you update that number, the result updates automatically, reflecting the new matching record. If you ever see an error, here are quick checks. DGET requires exactly one matching row. If more than one row meets the criteria, you'll get a #num error. Tighten your criteria so it's unique. If nothing matches, you'll see a #value error. Confirm the header names match your table exactly and that the bill number is typed correctly. That's it. With DGET set up this way, you get clean, targeted results driven by a simple criteria block, perfect for database-style lookups in Excel.